So today we are going to learn how to code in Python. So actually this is my first time coding in Python. I actually just found out that it is easier than other coding languages. So let's write our first line of code. So we'll just learn together here. So let's write our first line of code. So let's print anything to the screen. So even the print is much easier compared to other programming languages. So we say print when we want to write something to the screen, when we want to program the computer to print something to the screen. So we can print anything that we want. So let's say my first program in Python. So let's run that. Yay, my first line of code. Okay, so let's try do something else. So let's try to print something else now. Let's say print I love my dog. Okay, let's run that. My first program in Python, I love my dog. Okay, this is fun. So let's try and do something a little bit complex. So let's talk to the dog. Actually, let's talk to the dog. Okay, so let's write something like print. Oh, with my thing. So print this is a conversation between me and the computer. Voila. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm having a conversation with the computer. We're talking about my dog because I just said I love my dog. Now let's talk about the dog. So let the computer start first. So let's say the computer asks me a question. It wants to know the name of the dog. Let's say name is equal to input. So what is the name of your dog? So it's not really the computer though. Let's say, oh, it's me, but I'll just pretend it's the computer. So what this does is that the computer is asking you to enter the name of your dog. So this is a function which allows the computer to read whatever that you wrote and stores it in memory. So let's do this. There we have it. So we have what is the name of your dog, and then I have to type in something, but then we are not done yet, so I have to do something like this. So I have to say print So this is going to be executed after that line of code. So the computer is going to ask me what is the name of the dog, and then I'm going to type in something, and then this line, and then after I type, it's going to print to the screen this line of code. So let's say the computer says that is a very nice name. So let's run that. So I just have to type in something. Let's say my dog's name is David. And then that is a very nice name. Wow, thank you. Okay, let's try something else. So let's say their computer asks me, what is does my dog have a name? Let's say does your dog have a name? And then we're gonna do something that is called the if function. So the if function reads whatever that I have written and execute based on the condition. Okay, let's say if the name, so lower is equal to yes. Let's do this. Yes. Print what is the name of your dog? And then let's say if name lower, that's basically stands for lowercase, so we have is equal to no, then print let's say okay, let's say okay, and let's run that. So does your dog have a name? Let's say yes in lowercase, and then press enter. What is the name of your dog? And there you have it. So we can extend the code from here, just making conversations. But let us test it when we say no. So let's run it again. Does your name have a dog? Let's say no, lowercase. Okay, it was supposed to print okay. Let's see where we went wrong. So let's do this, and then let's run it again. Let's say no. Okay, it was supposed to print okay. So where did we go wrong? Oh, I see the mistake there, right there. Remember, Python is very case sensitive, so it must be lowercase n. And then let's try running that. Does your dog have a name? No. Okay. He doesn't care. And just okay. Okay. So we can extend the code further from here. Like we can make fun conversations and we can do a lot. But this was just the first program of Python.